Hello everyone, this is Deepika, and in this tutorial I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the two tabs that we did not cover in the previous tutorial. One was the Tools tab and then the other one is the Resources. Now the most commonly used tab by the instructor is this Marketplace Insights. Okay, now this Marketplace Insights will give you an overview of what kind of audience is out there for the topic that you're trying to create a course on and how much money can you make in that particular niche. Okay, and what other courses are available on that similar topic. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this one. Pet training. So here in the case of pet training, you can see it tells you this is a great opportunity. Okay, this is one of the great opportunities. There are not too many courses. Okay, so if you see here, you have very few courses are there, and only two of them, one of them is a bestseller and the other one is a highest rated course, and it's just a small course, 1.5 hours, and this one is 25 total hours. So this person has spent a lot of time creating this course, and but since it's a short and a crisp one, people do like the short courses as well. And then if you see here, there is a demand. The 75th percentile is the demand. So the more famous or the more in demand, the ranking is going to be on the higher side. Okay, and then you can see here the top monthly revenue is about 409. So you can expect an average revenue on this particular topic is about $400, and a median revenue is about this much. So this is just an overview of this particular topic. Now let's say you are interested so Python, let's say we have Python security. Okay, let's select this topic. Now this is also a very great opportunity topic, and you can see revenue is only $62. So I don't think it's that worth it. Now let's see if somebody is interested in the stock options, then do we have any course around that? Okay, so here you can see this course is there, but the feedback is aim for the high ratings to succeed in this topic. So, and you can make about $779. It's a good chunk of money if you create a course around this, and it's a very high in demand topic as well. You can see here it's on the 92nd number. And the other thing is, if you see, there are a lot of courses, but the thing is, the rating is not that great. It's only 4.2 here, 4.1. So you have to aim for a course which has a higher rating. Okay, so you can see here there is no bestseller. There's only one course which is highest rated, and it's 1.5 total hours. So you can see here there are a couple of courses and you have a good revenue that you can make out of this. Now, is there anything else that you can teach? So let's say in dancing, let's see if there is any salsa dancing. Let's say, do we have any aim for high ratings again? This has a revenue of 316. And let's look at photography. Let's say if there is any demand for photography or videography, things of like that. So you can see photography also has a very lot of competition, but look at the revenue. You can make around this much money through a course on photography, but your course has to do pretty good. And this is one of the guy who is a bestseller who has created this course, and he's been making a lot of money with this photography course. Similarly, if you are interested in videography, okay, so if something related to creating the videos, okay, so videography, let's see this is also, you have to aim for higher ratings, and the revenue is around $752. Okay, so this is a place where you get an idea on what other courses are out there related to that particular topic and how much money you can make in that particular topic. Okay, so you can search for anything. You can search for any topic that you are interested to teach. Then you can look how many courses are there, how much money you can expect to make. So starting out, try to find a balance where there are not too much of competition, but also there is a good demand for that particular course as well. So it'll be easier for you to get the students. Okay, so do invest a lot of time on this Marketplace Insights to study, and it doesn't always have to be on what you're do at work. You can find anything that you're passionate about and you know something very well and that you can teach to the world. So choose those topics as well. So Marketplace is a great place to do some research to get an idea. And then you have a place is called test video. So test video, usually when you are starting out, you have to follow some guidelines when you're recording the video, and I'll show you in a minute what those are. But Udemy always prefers you send them a test video. In that test video, they will check the audio quality and they'll also check the video quality of the video. And if they say everything looks good, then you can go ahead and record the rest of the videos having the same settings. Okay, so test video is very important when you are building your course for the very first time. I don't do any test videos because I've been creating courses from a long time, so I don't do test videos anymore. But if you are starting out, you need to first record your video, a test video where you are just talking or giving them an overview, and send them that video for their review purpose. And if they come back and if they have any suggestions, then you go ahead and add those suggestions and then re-record the video and send them back. Once they have given a green signal that yes, you are ready to go, then you go ahead and record the rest of the videos. Sometimes people just record the videos through the laptop computer and using the laptop's microphone and the audio, which is horrible. You should always have a proper mic when you're recording a video, even it's on your laptop, and have a proper camera so the picture quality is good and also your audio quality is good, because those two are the most important pieces when you are recording a video. So do create a test video before you create an entire course, because there might be a possibility your test video was not that good, you still ended up creating the course. Udemy will not allow that course to go through. Udemy will pretty much will never publish the course until you fix the content. So don't try to rush it. Make a test video, get the approval, and then start creating the rest of your course. We have covered the test video and Marketplace insights. Now in the next tutorial, I'm going to talk to you about the resources tab. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'll see you then. Thank you so much.